In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a lookup source in Airtable. If you're new to Airtable or just looking to enhance your database skills, setting up a lookup field can be incredibly useful. It allows you to pull in information from another table within your base, making your data more connected and insightful. So, let's get started. First, you'll want to navigate to your Airtable project. Open your Airtable workspace and select the base where you wish to add the lookup source. This will be your starting point, and it's essential to ensure you're working within the correct base to avoid any confusion later on. Once you're in your base, look towards the last column of your table. Here, you'll see a plus sign. This is your gateway to adding a new field. Click on this plus sign to open the field type menu. Adding a new field is an important step because each field can be customized to suit the type of data you need, and today, we're focusing on setting up a lookup. Now that you've opened the field menu, scroll through the options and click on Lookup. This selection will allow you to create a field that can pull data from another table. This functionality is particularly powerful if you have related data spread across multiple tables and you want to bring it all together in a cohesive view. After selecting Lookup, you'll need to choose the source field. Click on Select Lookup Source. This is where you specify which table and field you want to pull data from. Make sure you select the correct source, as this determines the data that will be displayed in your lookup field. Having a clear understanding of your database structure can help make this step much smoother. Once you've selected the lookup source, you're almost done. The final step is to click Create. This action will add the lookup field to your table, pulling in data from the specified source table and field. It's that simple. Now you should see the data from your source table neatly displayed in your new lookup field. And there you have it. You've successfully added a lookup source in Airtable. This feature is a fantastic way to dynamically link tables and keep your data interconnected. With lookups, you can automate data updates across your base, ensuring that you always have the most up-to-date information at your fingertips. Thanks for watching, and happy organizing!